Hi, I'm Sejun from Aalo, the world's most flexible furniture system that moves and grows with you. Let's face it, planned obsolescence is everywhere, and furniture is not an exception. Our homes are filled with furniture made with low-quality materials that are painful to disassemble and move, often making it easier to just throw them away after a few moves. And every year, over 10 million tons of furniture ends up in the landfill, and it remains to be the least recycled item in the household. And this is why we made Aalo, an adaptable furniture system that lasts a lifetime, that you can reuse, reconfigure, and recycle. We actually launched our first product last year and shipped hundreds of unique designs to happy customers. And with their feedback, we developed a new and improved collection that we're excited to share with you on Kickstarter. Here's how it works. Aalo is built on an interchangeable parts system with connectors, beams, and panels that can be easily assembled with just one tool. Aalo can be taken apart and put back together in minutes, so you can move with it and reconfigure it to fit your space. You can also make upgrades to your furniture and even create entirely new designs in just a few clicks, thanks to our new online builder. We designed Aalo to last a lifetime. When things get damaged, you can simply replace the parts to make your furniture brand new again. Aalo is made with the highest grade of zinc and aluminum, with VOC-free powder coating that leaves minimal impact on the environment while making Aalo 99% recyclable. As a team of former manufacturing and product engineers, we've spent countless hours designing Aalo to have maximum durability and versatility. And with the addition of zinc materials and upgraded hardware, our parts are now 40% stronger and can even be used outdoors. Our new collection has all of the items to complement your life in the city. A side table, a garment rack, a coffee table, a desk, and a bookshelf. And staying true to our approach, each item can be transformed in different ways so you can get an everlasting value without ever getting bored of it. For the past year, we've worked closely with our suppliers and we are now ready to launch our new batch of manufacturing. We believe in a future where sustainable and long-lasting furniture is made attainable for everyone. And we need your help to cover our manufacturing costs to bring new and improved Aalo to life.